A, E, I, O, U, A, B, C, D, E. Bro, you're so weak. What? You're so weak. What? I'm weak? You're saying that I'm weak? Yeah, you're weak. You need to do harder push-ups. You need to be a man. Okay, can you show me? Can you show me? Okay, no problem. No problem. Hello, everybody. So today we're talking about more push-ups. Just now or earlier, you saw a handstand push-up. This is a handstand push-up. That's a handstand push-up. To do a handstand push-up, you have to work very hard. There are many parts of your body that you have to strengthen. There are many parts of your body that have to work together. Today, I'll teach you about shoulder strengthening, making your shoulders stronger. Your shoulders, they have to be strong to do a handstand push-up. Your shoulders have to be strong. So, to strengthen our shoulders, we're going to do a pike push-up. A pike push-up. A pike is when you bend. You bend at your waist, but your legs, they stay straight. Okay? So my legs, they're not bending. My legs are staying straight. I bend at my waist. Okay? I bend at my waist and my legs stay straight. This is a pike. We're doing pike push-ups. Okay? Now I'll show you in push-up format. So, push-up position. My hands are shoulder width apart. And now I'm going to pike. So I bend at my waist and my legs, they stay straight. So my legs are not bending. My legs are straight. And I bend at my waist. This is pike push-up position. Whenever I pike, my body weight is on my shoulders. My body weight is on my shoulders. Regular push-up position, pike, now the weight is on my shoulders. It's challenging. It's difficult. I can be here with a big pike, or I can be here with a little pike. But the weight is on my shoulders. And that's pretty much it. It's simple, right? It's easy. Push-up position, the weight goes forward, pike. Now, the weight of my body is on my shoulders, and I press. Okay? I want to make sure that I breathe breathe. My head touches the ground. So I breathe. My head touches the ground. And that's a pike push-up. This really works. This really works your shoulders, okay? So one more time. Push-up position, pike, legs are straight, more pike, weight forward on my shoulders, push up. Breathe, inhale, exhale. And then eventually, you can do a handstand push-up. Okay, whoop, there it is. A handstand push-up is hard, but if you do exercises like the pike push-up, then you can do it too. You can do it. You can do it too. In the next video, we'll talk about more push-ups. This time we'll cover explosive push-ups. Explosive push-ups. Okay, so that's it. I hope you learned something today, and I hope we can all get stronger. Okay, so subscribe to the channel, give a like to the video. If you have any questions or comments, write it down below, and I'll see you in the next video. Goodbye. Okay, no problem.